Are your premises truly protected and compliant with UK safety standards? At UK Doors and Shutters, we offer a full range of certified solutions, roller shutters, fire doors, sectional and industrial doors, and shop fronts, engineered for maximum security and peace of mind. Our products safeguard retail stores, warehouses, schools, and hospitals against theft, fire, and vandalism while improving energy efficiency. Every installation meets EN 13241 and UKCA requirements, with ongoing maintenance for legal compliance and reliability. Trusted by businesses nationwide, our years of experience and industry accreditations speak for themselves. Visit ukdoorsandshutters.uk or call 0800 102 6136 for a quote today.